To Unpaved by Gambler 500. I have already created an account, so I'm going to hit log in. You're going to enter your cell phone number. And I'm sorry, guys, that are Android. iOS really has the easiest way to create these apps, and then we're going to port everything over, but there's 10 different platforms you have to do it for Android. So this is the way we're going to do it until we can justify the expense of doing all that. So it gives you your code. You confirm the code. Now you're logged in. Okay, so now that you're logged in, it's going to basically locate you on the map. And so first off, one of the coolest features about this app is the ability to download for offline use. All you need to do for offline use is basically find the place where you know you're going to be traveling, zoom in, and then it'll be downloading the tiles automatically for 30 days. So if you know you're going to be going down to Chemolt, let's say, here we go. We're gonna zoom in on all these tiles that are around where the OG is this year, and it's gonna download these tiles, and they'll be available offline. Obviously, if you have data, they're gonna be available year-round. Okay, here we are. So once you start cruising around, and you're basically looking for tracks, right? So the Gambler is all about navigating from waypoint to waypoint. And so what we've done these are all just test tracks. And guys, there's gonna be a lot of noise and trash on here, a lot of tracks that aren't even really tracks. As people start to figure this out, because once you create one, it's basically going to be populated by all the users, and also seen by all the users. But what we've done is, once you create a track, you have the ability to then share it. And so we'll basically be posting them over social media, over the website, send push notifications. You can then go in, find your own track, and share it with other people so you can see it. So there's going to be a lot of these icons that stand for these little tracks that are around here. A lot of them will be noise and garbage. So that being said, let's say you want to submit a track. You're going to hit submit tracks, and it's going to locate where you are on the map. So that being said, you could do this where you're going to drive around on all the different back roads that you want to create for your Gambler run, or you can do it from just sitting at home if you know where you want to send them. Let's say you know you like this road out here. You're going to hit start tracking. Sorry, how did we end up in the ocean? Here we go. All right, head over here, and we know we're going to be, let's go down here towards, I don't know, Ontario, Oregon. We're going to tap there. It's going to bring up these notes. So A number 1, the first waypoint, that's basically your waypoints. All gamblers are navigating from waypoint to waypoint, whether you have one waypoint or you have 25, 50. This is what you're going to do. You can create a note. Hi, guys. Boom. Now that note, you save it. Now that's waypoint number 1. And now you're going to continue on until you find the next waypoint you want to create. Create waypoint 2. This is going to be a really big Gambler if it was. And so all these will populate with the numbers in the order that you put them in there. In addition to be able to submit waypoints along this way, let's say you wanted to alert them of some sort of danger, that the bridge is out, or just that. You could even just create a funny note. You could just say, I don't know, scary ghost. There we go. And save that. So that automatically populates now on your map. It's not as a waypoint though. And then you come up here to the road could be out. Let's just say that the bridge is out, or that there's a roadblock, or it hits private property. So because make sure when you're doing all this sort of stuff, always stay away from private property and respect private property rights. The star, we've really reserved these to be whatever it is you want. So whatever Gambler you're doing, or whatever joke among friends, they're actually going to see this note along with the star. So if it's let's say you could put this by Crater Lake and say, hey, here's an option for you guys to go out there and check out Crater Lake. It's super cool. Check into the store there. They've got a deal. They got the best hot dogs in town or whatever. So we'll add the little star for giggles. Now I'm going to add another one of these things. You can add gas, so you can even say, hey, it's cheap gas, just for people to know that there's gas available. You shouldn't be driving around with like lawnmower cans. Most gamblers are all, there's plenty of gas stations around, so you don't need to worry about going 500 miles on a single tank. Obviously, this little lunch bag is, for food if there's an awesome diner, or if there's a grocery store. Obviously, any sort of lodging. It says motel, but if there's, if it's camping or whatever it is, you can add that along your track as well. Then a water crossing, I don't know how many water crossings we do, but we just wanted to add, we needed an extra button there. So there we go. And trash, of course, is our big Sons of Smoky initiative where we're locating trash, and you can add what it's going to be. Let's say you can say it's an 18-foot boat. Save. Okay. So once you're done, pause, finish. Now it's going to save the track. You're going to enter the track name. Tate's Excellent Adventure. Or you could say, Gambler, OG Gambler, or whatever you want to say. And then you can enter a little bit of track info, basically saying how long it should take it, maybe what kind of car and what kind of terrain you should expect, whether or not maybe it's a mini bike run. That being said, it'll list your amount of waypoints. You'll hit done and it'll populate. I don't want this one to populate, so I'm not going to hit it. Okay, all right, exploring other features that we know how to submit tracks. We know how to explore tracks, basically, sorting through all this fun stuff. So as we start going along here, all these will start populating. I'm going to have some set up for the Oregon Gambler here, but feel free to create tracks, recreate old gamblers, create new gamblers in any state or any country that you want in the world. And this obviously is version 1.1. And we're going to be adding all sorts of features. We're going to be debugging. There's different, map options. You'll be able to enter in longitude and latitude to find specific waypoints and your GPS settings. One feature is we do have an SOS button. So this emergency SOS shoots a message to us here at Gambler 500 and the app creators. So this does not go to emergency services. We'll then you'll basically type in what your message is, what your needs are, and then we'll be able to reach out to the people who can help you out. But you do need data for that, just FYI. All right, I think that's all the features. We're going to be doing more updates and videos like this. Please be patient with us. As we figure this whole thing out. We want your feedback, but what we really want is everyone to go out and have fun, take care of the outdoors, and obviously pay attention to all the rules and regulations of the road. So thanks, guys. See you in a bit.